Good morning, children. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is adaptations in plants and animals. Okay, so there are millions of plants and animals, and these plants and animals are seen all over the world. Okay, so a place where a particular plant or animal lives is called as its habitat. Okay, for example, oceans, forests, deserts, etc. Right? Some plants and animals live in water, some on land, some on trees, some on mountains. So, different terms are given to them. For example, plants that live in water are called as aquatic plants. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Now I am going to show you a video in which these terms are given. Okay, so if you have any doubt, write in the comment section. Okay, let's see the video now.
Chapter 2: Adaptations in Plants and Animals. Habitat. Now, what is habitat? The place where a particular plant or animal lives is known as its habitat. For example, some plants and animals live in ocean, some in desert, some in forests. So all these are their habitat. Then comes adaptations. Plants and animals living in different habitats show some modifications in their structure. Modifications means changes. They show some changes in their structure. These modifications in the structure and function of an organism to adjust to its habitat are called adaptations. Various plants and animals, they live in different types of climate and environment which suits them. Some lives in water, land, some both on land and in water, desert, trees, mountains. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. And animals that live both on land and in water are called amphibious animals. Animals that live on trees are called as arboreal animals. Now let's study about the animals and plants living in water. Aquatic animals. Animals that live in the water are called aquatic animals. For example, fish, sharks, etc. Adaptations for aquatic life. Fish have a streamlined body and fins for movement in water. They also have gills that help them to breathe underwater. So, adaptations for aquatic life means the animals who are living under the water, how they are surviving in water, what kind of features or modifications they are having. Then comes the aquatic plants. Plants that live in water are called aquatic plants. For example, lotus, water lily, etc. Adaptations for aquatic life. Now, how these plants are surviving in the water? What kind of features they have? Let's see. Water lily, lotus. What they have? They have a soft and spongy stem. Their leaves are broad and can float on the surface of water. See the water lily in the picture. They have such broad leaves so that they can easily float on the surface of water. Leaves also have thick waxy coat on the undersurface that prevent them from getting wet. Submerged plants. Now, what are submerged plants? Plants that remain inside the water are called submerged plants. Their leaves are thin and narrow. You can see the example of hydrilla. See the picture. How thin and narrow the leaves are.